Hello, everyone, and welcome to our group presentation for life cycle analysis of Blistex chapstick. I am Salman Umar Khan, and my group members are Ziming and Chen. I will start off by introducing you to the top manufacturer in the globe of chapstick, that is Blistex. Blistex was born during the 1947 by Charles Ark in Seattle, Washington, United States. The brand was originally a single product that was an ointment developed by Ark. Their product evolved from glass jar products following metal tins to single-use plastics in the current modern age. For nearly 2 decades, Blistex focuses on the continuous improvement of the emulsion process for their lip ointment products. Their expertise has been perpetuated with the company, which makes them still a leading manufacturer of lip balms and ointments throughout the globe. The manufacturer facility is a red brick building that houses the firm tucked away on a quiet industrial cul-de-sac in Oak Brook at 1800 Swift Drive. The modern facility is a 90,000 square feet office and manufacturing complex that provides products to 80 countries across 6 continents around the globe. It is a company with a distinguished tradition of providing quality lip protection products across the globe. With that said, most lip balm comes in plastic tubes that are difficult to recycle because their tiny size makes them incompatible with the mechanical systems typically used in recycle operations. Since the tubes are generally single use, that's a lot of plastic not being recycled. A large part of the matter is waste. However, it's price considering a switch from plastic product that need landfilling to ones that are biodegradable, compostable, or zero waste might scale back the chance of polluting land and sea. Now I will welcome Ziming to tell you about the life cycle analysis and the graph of equalizer.
The life cycle of a Blistex starts from the material extraction. The main material used for the lip balm is beeswax. Beeswax is an organic material harvested from the bee's hive. The main material used for the container tube is polypropylene, which is a chemical material formed by injecting mold. Then these materials are transported to manufacture. Beeswax is mixed with carrier oil and CO2 extracted from other organic materials like rosemary. They are heated up in a giant metal tank. Then the compound is injected into plastic tubes. During this process, more than 2,000 volts of electricity per day is consumed for one 900 kilograms tank. Then the tubes are packed with cardboard and plastics before distribution. The Blistex is distributed by air from Oak Brook, USA to the distributor in Sydney and is sent to the retailers by road. This process leads to the majority of environmental impact during the whole life cycle, which is, as can be seen from table, 21.4 millipoints because of a long distance air transit. After the Blistex is distributed in the retails, it's bought by customers and used in their daily life. Once it's used, it's either to be thrown away or recycled. Although the lip balm itself is partly made from biodegradable materials and it seems quite natural, the actual recycled parts of these products only take up 0.35 millipoints, and the rest of it ends up in the landfill. And the final environmental impact would be 29.75 millipoints.
The redesigned product sections can be separated as two parts. The first part is the internal packaging redesign, and the next part is the external packaging redesign, respectively. First, to look at the internal packagings. Most of the chapstick body packagings on the market is made of PP materials. We changed it into the fiber materials packaging to meet the concept of sustainable design. At the same time, according to the nature of the bamboo material, it will become lighter than ordinary chapsticks. Moreover, we hope that the shape of the chapsticks look like the real bamboo, so the head is decided to look like leaves. As can be seen from the screen, you can link some small objects such as keys to there. It's convenient to find in your bag, which not only the functional value, but also becomes more beautiful. And if the customers want to buy this product, they only can buy the cup of chapsticks and some replacements. In some aspects, it can reduce some environmental issues such as the waste and the pollutions. And in the right of the screen is some specific data to compare with the old design product. And the next part is the external packaging. Compared with the provides paper packaging materials, the newly decided outer packagings uses renewable paper. From the perspective of sustainable development, recycled paper is conducive to reducing environmental impact, such as pollution. At the same time, the outer packaging has also been transformed into a functional model. Using a soft paper material and a durable glue as the bank, it can be glued to some larger objects such as the sport cart. When a sport finish the work, they want to use this product, and then it's very convenient to find that. Because the chapsticks are very small, and fixing them on other items make it easier for people to think of them and use them in a timely manner. We want to let every design idea become valuable. In this way, the wrapping paper will not be discarded at will, which conforms to thinking mode of design ethics and makes every design ideas have their own value. In summarize, we hope that every part of this chapstick package have their function value will minimize environmental problems. And this is four features of these external packagings: bamboo material, roll-on packagings, recycled paper, and many kinds of use. Thank you.
Here's the LCA comparison of the original product and our redesigned product. As we choose materials that have less environmental impact, the production only accounts for 4.98 millipoints, which is only 60% of that in the original production. And the packaging impact also goes down by 2/3. Because the redesigned product is lighter, the result in the transport also declines slightly to 18.7 millipoints. Moreover, because our new container and packaging can be reused, the burden of disposal also decreases. So the total environmental impact would be 23.85 millipoints. That's 80% of the original one. So after this life cycle analysis, we found out that the environmental impact of a single product is affected by so many factors. Hence, as a customer, it is difficult to tell which product is more environmental friendly, and so it's easy to be greenwashed sometimes. But as designers, it's better that we take the environmental impact into account and do the calculations for our customers. I think this should also be written in our code of ethics. Also, the environmental considerations should really be one of the main topics in our design culture. And that's all of our presentation. Thank you.